OnePlus is launching the Ace 5 series in China this month, and since the Ace 3 was available internationally as the OnePlus 12, we think it's safe to assume that the Ace 5 will be rebranded as OnePlus 13R, a phone that should be getting official in January. Note that there was no Ace 4 line because of tetraphobia. So you may have been wondering what to expect in terms of looks from the upcoming high-end, but not quite flagship device. Today, a OnePlus exec has shared the two official images you can see below depicting the Ace 5. The screen's bezels seem very small indeed, the device's corners are nicely rounded, the selfie camera is in the usual spot, the power and volume buttons are on the right side, the alert slider is on the left side, and that's pretty much all we can gather from these shots, which are real photos of the phone, not renders. The OnePlus Ace 5/OnePlus 13R has been rumored to come with a 1.5K flat screen with an embedded optical fingerprint scanner, a metal frame, a 6,200 mAh battery with support for 100W wire charging, and the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC at the helm. On the rear will be a 50MP main camera, an 8MP ultra-wide, and a third 2MP sensor.